Hello, as you may know, or as you may already using, WordPress has an AI feature since WP7. And this means now every single plugin that you use or every single functions, features that are built within the core WordPress plugin now can utilize the AI feature within WordPress. So today I'm going to talk about how WordPress leverages this AI, how you can set it up, first of all, and how you can let WordPress how you can leverage the AI features within WordPress and how you can utilize them within your WordPress website. So first of all, settings connectors, and you can decide whatever you are using. If you are using Claude and you have the key for Claude, you can install Claude or Gemini and the OpenAI. So for me, I set it up for OpenAI. It's connected already. Now the next thing is you want to install this plugin. This is not shipped by WordPress by default. So this is a plugin. You need to install it, and this gives you like some of the AI features out of the box, just like excerpt generation, alt text generation for the images. There's some like title generation, etc. So you can simply go ahead and enable all, save the settings. So this will pretty much give you basic features for AI. But of course, you can download plugins that comes with several AI features as well. But now the problem is, now your keys are exposed. Basically, you are giving your OpenAI, in my case, I'm using OpenAI, I'm giving unlimited access to the plugins and the WordPress, which means some WordPress plugin can use like millions of tokens using my OpenAI account. It generates text, it generates images. Yes, it will be stored in your website, but it would be nice that you know like what's happening. And for that, I have built a very quick plugin. You can download from WordPress. It's called HandL AI Connector and Access Control. So this is the plugin I built as soon as WordPress shipped this AI feature. So to allow people to control the AI usage within WordPress. So now, the way you use this, first of all, there's a granular check here, right? So every plugin you can either allow or disallow. But the best way to utilize it, I would do audit and log first, and even like I would do learn mode first. And then the learn mode will show you which plugins are currently using. And here you can allow and deny each AI features or each plugins. So let me give you an example. Let's start to add some page. And here you can generate title. Yes, so we need some content. So let's go back here. Actually pull up some posts. Let's edit this. Let's pretend there's no title here. If you regenerate, let's select this title. Now if I go back here and reload this page, and you'll see there's a text generation happened using GPT-4o mini version. And this is the number of tokens, input and output token. And this is the tool. It did that, the title generation, AI PHP. You can actually see the exact prompt that has been run to generate the title, including the temperature being used and how many different versions of title generated. So now if you can either allow or disallow this. Like let's say we want to deny this. Then what happens if you go back to plugin rules? Now the plugin AI is deny, right? So it's active. It's an active plugin, but we deny all the requests. So now let's go back here, delete the title, and regenerate. See what happens. Okay, so it created something. But let's see whether it used any tokens here. All right. So since we are in the learn mode, it says it allowed, but it would deny normally if you are not running this in the learn mode. So let's turn it off, and let's keep the logging enabled as well because we want the log. All right, so that was the learn mode. So without breaking your website, like kind of blanket allowing everything, and then see how your rules are applied, right? So that's how you can utilize the learn mode. Especially if you are running a big website, you may want to turn this on for a while and then test a couple things, see how your new settings react. And then once you're confident, you can just switch the learn mode off and keep sailing. So now let's go here. Let's do the same test, regenerate. Now it errored out, right? So because there's no AI to use, because we block the request. So let's see. And you'll see it denied, OpenAI, AI title generation. You could still see the prompt, but this didn't cost you any money because we blocked it before it ran. So this is how you utilize HandL AI Connector Access Control. So let me re-enable AI. So now you know how this works. We'll see the changes. The same way you can do the same thing for, like for example, there's a media upload. You can let AI generate your alt text. Again, the same thing. Here I'm generating an alt text for one of my image, and the audit and log, boom, it's allowed again, right? So, but this time it's the text generation, alternative text, alt text generation. So, and the prompt is being used is this one, the temperature, the input tokens and output tokens, everything is here. And here's the other part. So based on the provider and the model used, we give a statistics, right? So here you can check which plugin is using the most of the tokens. You can do by calls, number of the calls, or the token sum. I think it kind of makes sense to order it by the token because that's where the money is being utilized, being used. You can filter it by the providers. Here I only use OpenAI. You can filter it by the models and the operations. So hopefully this will give you a full control where your tokens are being spent and which plugins are spending, and then based on that you can take action. There could be some plugins that you don't want to spend any token. You can right away deny, blanket that plugin, and that plugin will never ever cost you any dime anymore. So this is a way, I wish this was a core feature within WordPress, and I hope it will be one day, but until then, just download this plugin and use it in your website, and you have the full control of the AI usage within your website.